Okay, so here we have my 2013 Mongoose Mode 720. I put some extra parts on it, and I have red kink launch bars with Odyssey Dugan grips. I actually really like them. Yeah, the bars are a little bent, and it's annoying me, but you know, I'm gonna get new ones soon. I have one par end. I lost the other one. It's obviously a mongoose stem, mongoose frame, mongoose forks, and a mongoose front wheel mostly. The hub, it's purple as you can see, and I really like it. Spins forever, or if I can get it fast, it'll spin forever. Here, let me see if I can position that. No. There we go. Now it'll spin for days. Didn't really slow down much. I have, what are they called? Stolen thermalite pegs in purple, because purple is my accent color. I have these hub cleaners. They're just yellow string. So my pegs are gonna go like that. And like that. I have some shitty mongoose bottom bracket. It's not even sealed. Yeah, it's not even sealed, so. Duo pedals, they don't really spin. Mongoose slim seat, it's seat post and seat combo. I have Intense MK2 tires. They're pretty good. I guess they're wearing down pretty quick, so just be careful with that. Let's see. Colt half link. I bought that after I lost a pin to the KMC half link that came with this. The sprocket is also purple, if I can find it. It is spline drive. I mean, not spline drive, pin drive, or whatever you call it. The hub is actually pretty loud considering it's a mongoose hub. Do a quick sound check. And, so yeah, that's basically my bike right now. Yeah, peace.